By the end of the summer, I really want to start hosting really cool art parties around Chicago, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the coolest possible invitations for those parties. To design the invitations, I'm using Adobe Express. It's a super cool little online tool, and over here, I'm going to show you one of my projects. This is Art Club, that's what it's called, and I have a front and back designed on the tool. And now, to print these things. I'm over at moo.com. They're a super cool little printing service, and a couple of the things that I'm going to get is, first of all, the small postcards, and then I'm also going to get these small color splash envelopes. Look at how cute that is. And on the postcards, I'm going to go really bougie with it. I'm going to get the Luxe plan. It's like super thick. They have a little kind of, there's a little, I don't know if you can see that, there's like a color middle, so it's got kind of extra oomph to it, and I'm going to get a whole bunch of them. Okay, so they just came in and I'm super excited about them. I have a whole series of boxes over here because I bought a ton. But basically, here we go. I put them all in their little individual things. Boom, pink, beautiful. And then, Art Club, super sleek. Chicago Art Club on .org on the back. And as you can see, the kind of middle in between, it's nice and thick. It's got a good kind of heft to it. It's got the same kind of pink as the inside of the envelope. And just to punch it up a few notches, I also used a little wax seal bit that I have here to make it look like this. And I even used a little paint marker to add some oomph on top of the wax seal. So I'm super excited. There you go. That's how you make super swanky invites. So I'm going to be hosting parties hopefully by the end of the summer. And if you want one of these suckers, gotta find me. See you later.